Adobe Illustrator and Adobe InDesign are similar in many ways, but one way they differ is adding photos. Here we are in Illustrator, and the easiest way to add an image here is by going to File, Place, and choosing the image you want to add. When you do that, you'll get this thumbnail image and this arrow, and wherever you click, the image will appear at the full resolution. You can move it around using the black arrow tool, and if you need to resize it, the easiest way is by dragging one of the corners and while holding the Shift key to keep the image proportional. You don't want it to get distorted. Over in InDesign, you may encounter frames. You can make them yourself using the frame tool, or if you already have them on your document, you can use them to add images. This is so that in InDesign you can set up a layout before you have all the material ready, and then you can just fit images so that they fit within the spaces you've already designated. Similarly, once you select that frame though, you can go to File and Place and pick the image that you want to add. It will appear so that it fits the frame. In many cases, the frame and the photo will not be exactly the same size, so they are separate elements. And if you hold down this middle circle, that's sort of the handle for the image as opposed to the frame. And once it's highlighted in that brown size, you can actually edit the image rather than the frame itself. You can also do that using the white arrow tool as well. So the frame is not moving. That brown kind of orange outline is the photo. If you click back onto it, the blue outline is the frame, and changing that would move the entire photo around. You can also use some shortcuts by doing things like fitting, fit fill frame proportionally, fill content proportionally, fit frame to content, etc. In many cases that can distort the image, so you want to be careful about doing that without being very intentional about which options you are picking.